in my area code. Dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Hunting braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got hips, some of us don't. Big nose, contours, some of us won't. Never wanna put us in the media, bro. Wanna fat pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna fat pretty like my eye, got a yo.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan. If it's your first time here, hey girl, and if you're a returning subscriber, then thanks for coming back. So in today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Gorgius.com. This is their Florence curly bang unit. Now, Gorgius offers a wide variety of bang units, but if I'm thinking correctly, this is one of their newer ones. I can already tell you immediately that I'm loving the curls and the shape of her, but I don't want to tell you too much. Let's go ahead and get into the install first, and then I'll come back with my review of her. Okay, so before we get into my review of this unit, I do want to apologize for the way that I sound. If my voice sounds either scratchy or goes up and down in octaves or just sounds really dry, it is because I'm sick. So I don't know, I just wanted to give that little disclaimer there. Also, I want to remind you guys that I tend to try to have the chapters down below. So if you just want to know about the cap construction, it'll be down below, or if you just want to know about my pros and cons about the unit, it'll be down below. So I recommend and I would appreciate if you watch the whole video through, but I can understand that some people just want what they want, so always check down below for those chapters. So with that being said, let's go ahead and talk about this unit from Gorgius. This is their Florence curly bang wig. It comes in only 10 inches and obviously a natural black color. It is 100% human hair, and it says with the proper care that this unit can last anywhere from 3 to 5 years. As I showed you earlier, the cap construction comes with a total of 4 combs, one on each side, one in the back, one in the middle at the top, the adjustable straps, and also the security band. I personally never use the combs within my units, but I always do use the security band, and that tends to work out for me personally. This unit doesn't come with any lace or anything like that, so you don't have to worry about cutting or blending. All you have to do is take, what, 5-10 seconds or so, plop her on your head, shift her the right way, and then you're out the door. Very low maintenance. Now, if you've ever seen any of the Gorgius ads, most of the time you see the girls, they take the spray bottle, they spray their hair, they add any type of product that they want to the hair, and then they define the curls. For me, personally, I don't see the point in doing that. Number one, I don't care for the wet hair look on me. It's just a no-go. But as I took the... Why can't I talk? As I took the unit out of the bag, I was like, these curls are already defined, so it's like, how could I define them anymore? What I will say is, compared to the unit that's on the website, these curls are more defined. Those curls look a little bit looser in texture, but I do believe it's still the same unit. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about my pros and cons regarding this unit. And of course, starting with the cons first, the only real con that I have is that she did come with a slight smell. Now, all of my other Gorgius units that I've received have never had a smell. So for this one to have a smell, I was just like, I don't know. It's something that could easily be washed out, so I'm not really worried about it, but that was a con that I was just kind of like, about. Now, this next thing that I'm gonna say, it's not a con for me personally, but I know it could be a con for somebody. It's not a pro for me either, but I just feel like it's something that needs to be said. Do expect this unit to get frizzy. If you are someone who tends to play in your hair a lot, run your fingers through her a lot, she's gonna get frizzy, she's gonna get big, and then that's going to undefine the curls of the defined unit. I hope I'm making sense. I just know that that's gonna happen because I can already see the frizzies up here, which I'm not mad at them because I feel like that mimics 4 type hair when it's a little frizzy. I mean, all hair gets frizzy, but if you know what I mean. Like, there's never really any perfectly defined 4 type of hair. I really hope I'm making sense right now. Now let's go ahead and talk about my pros regarding this unit. And to start off with, earlier I told you guys about how I love the curls and the shape of this unit. Now, I'm always gonna keep it a buck here on this channel, and when I first took this unit out of the packaging, I was just like, I immediately thought to myself, I was like, okay, if Ice Cube ever decides to make the last Friday of the Friday series, they're gonna cast me as Pinky's niece. But then I put her on and I was just like, okay, I can be Pinky's niece still. I'll be the cute niece, but I'll still be his niece nonetheless. My next pro on this unit would have to be that she is big head friendly. Now, I want to say I've had 2 units from Gorgius that were not the most big head friendliest, and so yeah, I'm still gonna make them units work though. I ain't gonna keep them on my head for a long time, but I'm still gonna make them units work for me. But this one is actually big head friendly, so I love that for me. Like, I feel like I could wear this unit for hours and not get no headache. As you saw earlier, I do have twist as my natural hair protective style. So for me to be able to braid my twist up and then just slap 2 stocking caps on top of them and then put a unit on top and it's still like lay flat, because as you can see, there's no bulkiness or anything like that to her. That lets me know that a unit is big head friendly. Now let's go ahead and talk about the price of this unit. On Gorgius.com, she does retail for about $139, but I do have a coupon code that you can use and that'll bring the total down to about $116. Now the good thing about Gorgius is that they do offer Klarna and Afterpay, which means you can pay for the unit in 4 separate installments. So if you were to use the coupon code, that would bring it down to $116, which would mean that you would pay 4 separate payments of about $29 or $30. I'm just putting that out there just in case you are wanting to purchase the unit, but you're not in the business of paying all the coins at one time. So with that being said, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also make sure you subscribe before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell. That way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at @Dotson. I'll make sure to have a direct link to this unit in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. Leave me a comment down below whether you like more natural hair looking units or if you like more glam type of units. I also want to know if you guys like natural colored units or if you prefer like the colorful units, like the browns, the reds, or the purples and blues. I don't know. I want to know. I want to see what you guys like on this channel. But I don't have anything else to say and I'm going to stop rambling. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.